Hello and welcome. This is Caravan, no it's not, it's CMT Trade Fair in Stuttgart. So I go to two trade fairs, one's Caravan Salon and the other is the CMT. And this is the CMT, which is at Stuttgart, which is where I am right now. And I know the difference because it's freezing cold in Stuttgart in January, and when Caravan Salon's on, it's really warm. This is a Kabe Classic motorhome. It's a pretty expensive vehicle, but it's obviously pretty good, I would hope. But this is just about the beginning of the Kabe range. 131,730. I say Kabe, I think the pronunciation is actually Kobe, because it's got an A with a thing on the top of it. I don't speak Swedish, but that's what I think it's called. Kabe, Swedish company. They make vehicles for Sweden and such. If you want something that's going to be warm in winter, this is the sort of thing that you might want to think about. This vehicle here is it's got this German layout here, which we can make bigger. We can pull this slide out here. There'll be some cushions to put in there, and that'll make, or mattresses really, and that'll make a really big bed. Under here we will find that it's got this shelves there, and on this side we will find a wardrobe. There's the toilet, and could do the light on. I don't know. No, that's now my fault. Not for not putting it on. Non-slip surface down there. Drainage point in the centre, although I'd prefer a larger one. And I usually prefer two. That makes it much easier, I think. Up here, freezer. Here's the fridge. Storage underneath. 3 burners and a sink, and there you go. There's the more storage. I think this really looks super elegant inside, although no, the seats don't actually match. We've got the black leather at the front, and then we've got the white at the back. I think it should all be the same colour, although I don't know anything about interior design. That's just my way of looking at things. One thing I do really like, I like the shape of this. I think it looks quite effective. There's your television. That'll come out. Depends how you want to watch it, of course. Let's have a sit down in my favourite seat and admire the view. I don't suppose they manufacture many of these vehicles. I do see them in Germany. I have seen them on the road, but there's not all that many of them. Kabe was the investor in Affinity from Poland. You see lots of Affinity vans on this channel, and you do see, well, I see a number of Affinity vans as I'm traveling around in Germany and in Poland. Maybe if I spent more time in Sweden, of course, I might see more of these on the road. So let's have a look outside. We'll have a look at the garage. This vehicle is new, as you can see. This is new. And have a look in here. Classic's an unusual name for something which is new. Oh, I like that. So very nice garage. Yeah, certainly a very attractive garage. Right, 131,000 for something like this. Length is I think it's 739, but that's off memory. Okay, put in 3,650 kilo base, gross vehicle weight, 90 litre water tank, Kabe 740LGB on a Fiat base. Thanks for watching.